Much of the planet's freshwater, however, is locked away. Almost 2/3 of it lies frozen around the poles. This ice is several kilometers thick and may have been lying here for millions of years. Every summer, some of it melts and carves its way into the heart of the glaciers. These great caves are beautiful and dramatic, but they're also dangerous places, for glaciers are always on the move. Even away from the poles, much of the land's freshwater freezes each winter. But when spring arrives, this vast snowy reservoir melts and a great journey begins. Racing down the steep mountain slopes, the ice-cold waters collect a life-giving ingredient: oxygen. Here on the rivers of the Andes in South America, there is a living to be made for those that can cope with the powerful currents. And torrent ducks can. These chilly headwaters may be oxygen-rich, but they contain few nutrients. The torrent ducks collect what little food there is from below the surface.